In this video, we are going to be taking a closer look at this 13.9-inch ultra slim laptop from Huawei. It is the Matebook X Pro. So disclaimer, this laptop was sent to me so that I can do a video on it. It is borrowed. I gotta return it back. So I don't get to keep this laptop. And this video is not sponsored, so that's my disclaimer. I've been using this laptop for about a week and I'm loving the slim design. It's been pretty easy to travel with. It's about 3 pounds. I like that it has 2 USB-C ports on the left side. That comes in handy, especially with this monitor that I have behind me. I can connect it with USB-C and it charges and I get the display out at the same time. That is pretty convenient. I love that. So I know someone in the comments is going to mention that this laptop looks a lot like a MacBook Air, and you are right. But there's some big differences, and there's a reason why I would pick this one over a MacBook Air. First of all, no dongles. You got a headphone jack on the left side right next to the USB-C ports, and you got a USB 3.0 port right there. So there's no dongles needed, there's no adapters. Your old printers, your headphones, you can connect it with this laptop, no problems, no dongles needed, and I know some people, they appreciate that. It also has a 3K touchscreen and upgradable storage, which you can't do on any of the new MacBook Airs. So the webcam is hidden inside of the keyboard right here. It's at a weird angle, so it can be a little bit awkward for video calling, but it's there, and I like that it's hidden. It helps with privacy concerns. So be sure to check out techgeeknelson.com for the full review on the Matebook X Pro laptop from Huawei.